We're all staying home these days to avoid catching or spreading the coronavirus, but that can cause complications with another part of our health. WNCT's Ariana Kraft continues our team coverage with helpful ways to boost your mental health.
For many, staying at home to help stop the spread of the virus also means working a full-time job, homeschooling children, and more. Weeks and weeks of being at home can take a toll on some people's mental health.
And I think one of the things that is maybe most overwhelming or anxiety-provoking is the idea that we don't know how long it will go on.
But there are ways that people can cope.
And try to stay connected with loved ones, even if that means doing something virtually. We can try to get outdoors, try to engage in some activities. I've heard of lots of people doing things now this time of year like gardening and outdoor activities with their kids or their family who they live with.
Overloading on social media and television can create more stress.
A general rule of thumb is to choose one or two sources of media that you really trust, that are reputable, and to stick with those.
Adjusting can lead to unhealthy habits.
It can be easy to cope with substances. It can be easy to use food as a comfort tool. And so, again, just kind of recognizing when you're doing that and maybe being deliberate about trying to do things instead.
Finding alternative activities you enjoy can help.
If people can find a way, in addition to kind of creating some structure for themselves and kind of setting reasonable expectations, if people can find a way to engage in more activity that they find relaxing or enjoyable.
Remember, it's never too late to ask for help. If you would like information on mental health resources, we have more posted to our website, WNCT.com. In Greenville, Ariana Kraft, 9 on your side.